real fast, starting out this video, shout out to Anthony for posting this. But let's get right into this. So guys, this is the Z Fold 7 versus the Z Fold 6 versus the Z Fold 5 versus the Z Fold 4. And I am still amazed when I look at these. Again, like I said, listen, at the end of the day, does making a phone super freaking thin really, truly, make it the best foldable phone on the planet? I don't know. I don't think making a phone super thin automatically makes it the best phone, but I will say that it's definitely unique and it definitely stands out when you look at these phones side by side. This is some insane engineering, and I'm hoping there's no issues, moving forward. I hope in a couple months from now I'm not making a video saying, by the way, guys, who knew the Z Fold device being that freaking thin caused it to break randomly for no reason. I'm really hoping that's not the case. I'm going to knock on wood on that one, but I don't think it will be. I think this is just a insanely thin phone that, compared to the other generations, we are finally seeing a leap. We're finally seeing an update. I feel like every year we talk about these phones, we kind of say oh yeah, Z Fold. It's not really much of an update, and I still will say I think Z Fold 8 is going to be the real update. And if you had to wait for something, I would wait for the Z Fold 8. But if you don't want to wait for the Z Fold 8, give you that. Z Fold 7 definitely makes this compelling case by just the look of it. Which I can't wait to see what the Z Fold 8 looks like. I mean, I assume they're going to go thinner, but the question is, how much thinner can you make a Z Fold 8? If this is where it is now, at what point is it too thin? I mean, it's a point now where the USB-C module is the same size of the phone. The phone is as thin as the USB-C module. So, if that's the case, I just feel like at some point it's impossible. But, hey, Samsung will find a way, and I'll be making a video in a year from now talking about the new thinnest phone. Which is, by the way, not the thinnest phone on the market. That's crazy to say. But the Z Fold 7 already got beat before it even came out. So this is coming out July 9th. Well, Honor already has the thinnest phone now. They beat the Z Fold 7 and made a thinner phone than the Z Fold 7. So it is interesting to see how short-lived, any foldable phone that comes out can have certain titles, like the thinnest foldable phone, the biggest battery, the biggest this, the biggest that. You can only hold that record for around a couple months before another company sees it and goes, hey, we can also make that record happen. And then they make the record happen, and well, the rest is history. So tell me down below your thoughts, opinions, guys. See you guys next one. Peace out.